actions I won't defend. No. And every time I see you, gotta hold myself down. I'm not used to the feeling, but it's pulling me now. Been losing my mind since the merry-go-round. I lose trying to lie when I feel like I'm found.
You whisper.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So as you saw from the title, we are going to be doing my shower routine, hygienic routine, everything that has to do with taking care of our skin, body, everywhere is for today's video. So right now I finished my workout, so right now I'm just going to brush my teeth. Simple way, I just take toothpaste and brush my teeth, wash my face. I don't really have plenty things to do it in when it comes in washing my teeth. Okay, washing my teeth is very simple. Yeah. So after this, I will wash my lips as well. I just brush it. After brushing my lips, I wash my face, then we'll jump into the next routine.
Loving you way too hard just to be a friend.
So the next routine is to shave. Okay, I dry shave my armpits before I shower. So I'm going to be using this shaving stick. It's 3-in-1 shaving stick. Okay, so I'm just going to shave my armpit. All right, I don't wet shave, I always dry shave, because when I dry shave, I don't have those bumps on my armpits you get. And after I dry shave, when I jump into the shower, I will scrub that place, so all the old hairs there will remove. So that's why I always dry shave. One, not to have all those armpit bumps someone they always have in their armpit.
Feelings I can't control, I cannot pretend. Can't wait to wrap my hands around you again. Wishing the night never ends. Soon as my baby.
So let's shower. So first of all, I'll use my sponge. This is my exfoliating sponge. I don't joke with this. I'm going to use this. The soap I'm using is St. Ives. Okay, this soap is so amazing. I always use this first to scrub my body. This is the bar soap. I always use the bar soap to scrub my body before I go into any other soap or any other thing. This is just to remove the first dirt from your body. I scrub everywhere with this soap, and I will rinse out and we'll move to the next step. If you're new to my YouTube channel, hi, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share and comment.
Wishing the night.
So loves, the next thing we're going to do is to exfoliate our skin with this sugar scrub. This is a Dove scrub. Okay, this smells so amazing, love. Like, this is so amazing. Like, I love the smell of this scrub. This scrub, after you finish using this scrub, it keeps your body looking smooth.
Never ends.
I just love it. Okay, so I'm just going to be scrubbing all part of my body, my neck, all the way down to my toe, and scrubbing my elbow. You know, those places are the places that you get these two different colors. Okay, so for our body to even our tone and the rest. So else, this is what I do. I scrub my body on a weekly basis. Okay, I don't scrub my body every day. I do my scrubbing on a weekly basis.
Soon as my baby pull up, rolling up the gas, roll up. Tipsy off the drink, pulled up. Vibe till the morning. Soon as my baby pull up, rolling up the gas, roll up. Tipsy off the drink, pulled up.
So this is the next step, is to use my Dove deep moisturizing shower gel. This also smells divine, and I'm going to use this to give myself a last scrub of my body. These are the things I do on a weekly basis using my scrub. All these routine are my weekly basis routine. Okay, love, so I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, I'm just going to be scrubbing all my body everywhere, scrubbing down. You know, you just need to scrub your body, guys. Scrub your body for you to get that glow. Okay, love. For my face, I'm using this face wash. Okay, I did a video when I got this face wash. Okay, this face wash is so amazing. Like, ever since I started using this face wash, my face feels so smooth, like really really smooth. I'm going to be buying this more. Okay, this is gonna be my favorite face wash to use to wash my face. Okay, love, so I'm just going to use it to scrub all over my face, then I'll rinse out and we'll move to the next step.
I fell in love with your soul, and your beauty is a bonus.
So love, I also shaved and I used this shaving soap to, you know, wash down below, you get. Then this is our skin care routine. So right now I'm removing the hairs from my face, my facial hairs. Yes, I have facial hairs, so I'm going to be removing all the hairs. I remove the hairs on my face every week. As I said earlier on, this is my weekly routine, so my hairs on my face, I remove them every week. Okay, so this, I'm just using this eyebrow blade to remove the hairs on my chin. Anywhere I see hair on my face, that is where I remove my hairs. Okay, because I've already washed my face, so after removing the hairs on my face, we'll move to our toner and the remaining part of my skincare routine.
Lot of women in the club, but you know that you're the coldest. And I love the way you move your body to the chorus. Drinking all night, say the shine's got you floating. You asked me what time it is, and I said you know it. About to take you to the crib where I'm can't control.
So I'm using this baby face toner. This is so nice that they have different colors of this toner. So I'm using this one, this particular brand. Okay, after I shave my hair, I'll use this to, you know, clean all my faces, tone my faces. These are the ways I do my own skincare routine, and this way I do it, it really works for my face in this dry season, this Harmattan season. Yeah, we need to take care of our body, we need to take care of our face, you know, take care of our skin so we don't be ashy. You know, when you wake up in the morning, you have that ogre face on your face when you it's not nice. Yeah, so you need to just take your time to take care of your face. So right now I'm just cleaning every part of my face with my toner, and actually my where I remove my hairs, and I don't always neglect my neck and my ear area, because those places you need to clean those spaces as well.
Glass cups full of ice, about to pop out the potion. Dimming all the lights down.
Here are the face masks I'll be using. I'll be using these nail face masks. Okay, this is the face mask I'll use on my face. After my toner, I'll put on the face mask. This face mask is so amazing for your skin. It keeps your skin looking so smooth. Like, yo, this is so slimy, and that is one thing I love it, because it hydrates your face. Okay, so I'm just going to put this on my face and I'll leave it to sit for like 20 minutes, because that's what is written in the pack, to leave it to sit for 20 minutes on your face before you remove the face mask.
But I see you glowing. Soon as my baby pull up, rolling up the gas, roll up. Tipsy off the drink, pulled up. Vibe to the morning.
So love, this is after 20 minutes. I'm going to remove this face mask from my face. Then I will smooth it into my face and allow this to dry before we move to the next step. Like, you have to do this layer by layers, okay? You have to do layer by layers on your face. Don't rush this step. Just take your time to do it layer by layer. This is shower routine. Always I love shower routine because this is where I find myself, I find my space after the whole motherhood. When I come to the shower and do all these things, is me being me. If you understand what I mean. Yeah, so the next thing I'm going to do right now is to use my vitamin C syrup. I'm just going to place it on my face and also smooth those into my face. And our last tip for my face is using this moisturizer on my face. And guys, these are my skincare routine. I hope you enjoyed this video. So I will smooth this on my face. Like, I'm doing this on my face 10 times each. I read that this keeps you younger, so I'm trying to, we've hit as we grow older, our skin gets to change and the elasticities of our skin gets to get loose. So the more we do skincare and the more we massage all this into our face, the more we look younger. So this is what I'm trying to do. In my 20s, I do skincare routine, but not much. So in my 30s now, I want to try and be doing more skincare routine, so I keep on looking young. Okay, so right now I'm using Vaseline for my lips. Yeah, you have to have Vaseline in your house because this dry season is coming fast and your lips is gonna be breaking. So use Vaseline for your face. And this is my body cream. I'm using Dove body cream. I love this one because it has avocado in it, and I always mix this with jojoba oil inside for my body. This gives me that smooth, soft, succulent, yamalicious body because the smell too is amazing. It's amazing. Yeah, so I'm done with my skincare routine. The next thing we'll do is to smell nice, which is by using our perfume. Rub your cream everywhere, both your legs, your toes, everywhere. You need to rub cream. Don't be stingy with your cream. So next I'm doing is to rub my shawl, and after I use the shawl, I will take my perfumes. This smells amazing. Like, this is small like this, but this smells amazing. Like when your hubby or your boyfriend or your girlfriend smells you, oh my god, OMG, this is so amazing. Then I'm going to take the second one and spray it on the important area, which is my hand, my neck. Spray those places where now I don't need to spit it out. You get what I'm trying to say? Yeah, so you get it, you understand it. Okay, so I am done, and the last thing I'm going to do is to shape my eyebrow because I saw that the hairs are already growing out of line, so I need to just carve that, and I'll show you guys the end result of my skincare. I hope you enjoyed this video with me. And let me know in the comment section, what's your skincare routine? What are the step-by-step you do for your skincare? And for me, when I'm doing my skincare, I feel amazing. I feel fulfilled, and the rest, like, this is so amazing. All right, love. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, hi, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share, and comment.
Espiritual, hechizo, pociones, algo natural. Estoy tocando base, tratando de hacer la paz. Life's spinning out of control. Feels like I'm stuck in slow mo.
Besties, this is what my face looks like after everything. Like the glow is glowing. The glow is glowing. Let me know in the comment section, how do you guys see my skincare routine? And I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.